Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Take the key, open the trunk. To get the third brake light bulb out, there's a little socket right under here. You go in here, twist it to the left. I'm going to pull the socket down, just like that. To disconnect the wiring harness, there's a little tab right here. Disconnect that, pull the socket off. To remove the bulb from the socket, just grab it with your hands and pull it straight out, just like that. This is a 921 bulb. To reinstall the bulb, just line it up with the socket, push it in, and then we'll reinstall it in the car. Now we're going to reconnect the connector first, line it up. Connector goes that way. Once that's connected, then we can reinsert it. This is a little bit tricky. Once you get it in, then we're gonna twist it clockwise, lock it in place. And now that it's in there, we can test it and make sure it works.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.